Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take screenshot and instantly share it without saving on your Samsung Galaxy device. So normally when you take a screenshot like this, it basically gets taken here and then gets saved into your gallery. Then you need to go ahead and open up gallery. And then from here, you need to go ahead and share it. But on Samsung Galaxy, after taking a screenshot, you can just go ahead and press and hold on the thumbnail preview, and then you can go ahead and drag it anywhere you like. So you can go ahead and drag it directly into your messaging app, WhatsApp, or email without even saving it. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and open up Google. We'll go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Now we can go ahead and take that thumbnail and we can go ahead and press home, use our other finger, open WhatsApp, and we can go ahead and drop it here. So here I'm going ahead and sending a screenshot which I've taken from my Samsung Galaxy, and I'm sending it to someone on WhatsApp. So as you can see, this is quite quick and easy. So I've taken a screenshot, grab hold of that thumbnail, press home, press the WhatsApp or messaging app and drop it here, and then send it off again. So this way you save storage space since you don't even have to save unnecessary screenshot. So it's super quick for sharing memes, chat proof, or notes instantly, and you keep your gallery clean. So there you go guys, that is how to take a screenshot and instantly share it without saving it on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.